telling you that you are very courageous and sent me your work. You said, here is my work. And I gotta tell you honestly, Garvin, your work is not only excellent, it is at the highest level of creativity, color, passion, storytelling. Everything about your work is beautiful. There is no era where I say, oh, you didn't do this right. No, everything is just spectacular. So if you are going to grow, I'm going to be afraid because I don't know what space you're going to leave.
But I want to say something to you on camera also.
Yeah, talk.
Your work is very impressive. I'm very inspired by it. You understand? And so when I grow up, I want to be just like, give me a handshake there, brother. Yeah, man, respect.
No, man, yo, for real though.
Yeah.
The work is solid. Solid. There's no flaw. Like I was like, oh man.
This is all for that.
I wish you did do. No man, the work is stellar. What I tell you, you just keep producing. That's it. That's the only thing. Because the one thing you can allow to defeat you is they don't produce more competition.
Right.
So keep creating. You'll be recognition. Nothing like follows those who put work in. It's a reality.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. Consistency beats it all.
It means a lot to hear you, a very accomplished Jamaican, revered photographer, telling me that you admire my work.
Yeah, man, no, man, your work tough.
Thank you.
Really. Yeah,
appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to exhibiting with you.
Yes,
the
next
Jamaican
month.
concert on the 29th of July.
Absolutely. No,
Thank you.